Is this Julia?
Yes, this is her.
Hi, it's Mikey Pipes. You Googled me.
Yes, I Googled you.
You're in Virginia, I believe, correct?
Yes.
Tell me what's going on, and let's see if I can help.
Okay. So, I want to say this happened in June. My AC was making this really weird noise.
Central air conditioning?
Yeah, like the unit outside was.
Okay.
Like a really loud noise, and I knew that something was wrong. Well, I went to my doctor's appointment, got home. When I got home, it was just blowing hot air, and I was like, uh-oh. So, I called my husband, who called his friend who, does HVAC stuff. He drove down to try to, see what was going on. He couldn't figure it out, so we called, a local business to come.
Okay.
And he pretty much said it was shot. Something about something being grounded. I don't
Compressor
know.
shorted to ground?
Maybe. He just said that it was grounded and it needs to be replaced. And so then he gave me a quote for $12,000.
Which, you know what that entailed?
It was to replace everything.
What's everything? Do you know, you have a furnace inside the house? Is it just an air handler?
So the AC does heat as well.
Okay, is it a heat pump? Is it a gas furnace? Is it natural gas? Is it propane?
We just have electric.
Electric, so it's
everything.
A heat pump.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But but there's no oil or natural gas or propane, correct?
No, there is not.
So it's a heat pump. Okay.
It just does AC and heat. But then, so I got a second opinion from something called Total Cool or something. They came and they looked at it, and then they were able to quote me $9,000 for the same. They said the same thing as the other guy did.
Shorted ground.
So
okay.
I tried to apply for their financing.
Okay.
And I was denied.
Okay.
And I think ever since I was on maternity leave a couple years ago, it really screwed me on my bills because I'm the one who pays all the house bills.
Gotcha.
And I was putting me behind on all my credit cards, and it's literally been difficult to catch up.
I hear you. I understand.
I mean, I tried. It was like, if it works out, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
Okay.
So, it's been a hot summer. My husband called his parents because my parents have passed. I don't have anybody to call. But his were able to lend us window units.
Okay.
So, but I didn't know that they had black mold, and I have asthma. So, I noticed that my son has been having breathing problems recently, and so have I. And I was like, let me check this thing.
And you opened them up, and they're filled with
Oh my God, it was all black, and I was like, well, maybe I can clean it. So I got this foamy stuff to clean it, but it's so deep in there that it was by this fan thing, and I was like, I just can't get in it, and I'm really tight on cash, so I was like, I can't live I stayed home working from home today because I went to the doctor yesterday. They prescribed me prednisone, and because my breathing is really bad.
So let me where do you live? What town do you live in Virginia?
Spotsylvania.
I googled the zip code. I'm like, sounds like Transylvania.
Almost, yeah.
Almost. And is this a home? Is this what is it? You live in a development?
Yeah. I live in a home.
Okay.
It's
you guys own the house?
I think they call it a rancher. Yeah.
Okay, it's a ranch. So one story. You have a crawl space or basement, or?
I do have a basement.
Okay. Where's the indoor unit? Is it in the basement? Is it in the closet? Is it in the attic?
Attic. I know there's something in the attic that connects to the AC that's out in the back.
Do you know what size system you have?
I don't.
Okay. Let me tell you what I do, and probably how you found me when you Googled charity HVAC. This is at least what you said on the email. I am a plumber and HVAC contractor that is licensed in New York. I'm also licensed in South Carolina and Florida. I believe in a philosophy of helping others. We love fixing things, but we also believe in 100% transparency. So for years, I have been recording video of the work that we do and uploading it to YouTube. And I've managed to, I don't know how it's possible, but I've managed to have quite a large following across social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram and like whatever. But I also started a nonprofit called Mikey Pipes Philanthropy about 2 years ago, with a mission to provide free or low-cost plumbing, heating, cooling services to those like in the community. And the community can be like in my Long Island, New York area, or it could be like in Podunk, Wisconsin. You know, it really, we've done jobs across the country where I create a video about a family in need, and I ask for volunteers. Like, hey, who can help this family with X, Y, and Z? And then I reach out to manufacturers that I partnered with and aligned with, and I collaborate with, like on YouTube or social media. And I say, listen, you guys want to donate something? Like, this is a perfect cause. We'll get some video on it maybe, or whatever. And for example, yesterday we installed, you know, a mid-teens of $1,000 system, heat pump system, kind of like similar to what you need for a needy family who's not too far away from our office here on Long Island. 2 years ago, we flew to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and installed a $30,000 ultra high efficient, you know, heat pump system. And like a few months ago, we installed a water heater in Wisconsin, like, you know, for free. So if you are in that dilemma right now where you need someone to just like or just an organization to help, I think I can help. I think that if I create a video of what's going on with you, and I don't have to mention your name, but you know, your town and where you are helps, because you know, I need to partner with a contractor who's gonna, you know, maybe volunteer their time or work for next to nothing. And I've raised funds as well where we could make things happen. But if you are truly in a position where you need help, and it's like your back's against the wall and you're like you're telling me, I would love to help. I would love to reach out to my audience and see what happens. I think I could definitely get.
Very, very awesome.
Yeah, I'd love it to happen.
It's so much like, I understand like my health, yeah, it sucks, but when it comes to my 2-year-old is where I was like, this is bad.
Yeah.
Like I like kind of maxed out on the, you know, those like Affirm and things like that.
I hear you.
I was able to do Klarna, and I got 2 window units that I put in yesterday that were not moldy, and I'm hoping that that's going to fix for right now. But okay. I mean, if you guys
own your,
that would be so helpful.
Yeah, you guys own your own home? Are you current with your mortgage and things like that? You're like, you just probably have shitty credit, no other way of saying it, because you know whatever happened, and now you're trying to catch up, and it just takes time. I hear you, and you'll basically living, you know, to work and making ends meet. And I hear you, like the average American family right now, unfortunately.
Yeah, I mean, like life is so expensive. I do work Monday through Friday, 8 to 4, and then usually I do Amazon Flex from my car to make some extra bucks. But I couldn't do it today because I was like, my breathing is just so bad.
Wow.
So
okay, can you send me, I'm calling from my cell phone, can you send me pictures of like these estimates that you got? I would like to identify this, and also the equipment that you have, or maybe you or your husband can send me pictures of the outdoor unit and the sticker that's on the outdoor unit, and if one of you can go into the attic and send me a picture of what you have up there. I'm going to create a little video of our conversation, of the need that you have, and I'm going to see what we could do. You know, I think we can get the equipment donated. I just got to find a contractor who's, of course, licensed and insured near you, or who's going to make the drive to get to you and get this done. You know, there's no reason why this can't be resolved as soon as possible. Seriously. Like, I've done it. I gotten a letter, like that Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania story I told you. I got a letter on I think it was on a Saturday in the mail. I called him up. Monday, the equipment was ordered, and by Friday, I don't think it was even that long. I think Tuesday and Wednesday we were there and got the job done. Like, let's make things happen. You know, let's do it. And I would love to help you. Send me what you can, because I like to know what size of the system that you need. If you can also text me your address so I can like do a Google thing and see what size home you have and what have you. And I would love to help you. If you really, you know, are genuine, you know, I believe in karma, right? But if you're genuine, you need help, I really believe that we can help.
I truly am grateful for that. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
But would you rather me send you a text or an email with all this stuff?
A text is fine. I'm calling from my cell phone. You can send me a text with pictures of what you have, and I can go from there. Whatever's easiest for you.
Okay, I'll I'll start doing that. I will gather the estimates that I had, and I'll get pictures of the unit.
And what town are you in again?
Spotsylvania.
Spotsylvania. What county is that in, Virginia?
That is in Spotsylvania.
Spotsylvania
So
County.
I'm like, so if you're familiar with Richmond, I'm an hour north from Richmond.
Okay, so you're closer to New York than further from New York.
Yeah, and I don't know if you're aware of like King's Dominion.
I've heard of it before.
I'm 20 minutes from there, so
okay.
Like those are like main areas if needed to figure out where I'm located. But yeah, I can send you my address.
Okay, I'm going to do all I can to help you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. My pleasure, ma'am. We'll talk soon.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.
All right,
Bye.
Folks, you heard it right here, folks. Right from the horse's mouth. Oh, that sounds bad. Like, right from her directly. We have this family in need. And you see it. They live in Spotsylvania, Transylvania, Virginia. I'm going to find out what size system they need. I'm going to talk to the folks either at Bosch, or ACIQ, or both. And we're going to move some mountains together. And if it's not Bosch or ACIQ, I'll pay for it myself. Because I believe in paying it forward. I really do. If you can help, and if you're a licensed HVAC contractor in that area, or want to schlep to that area, you got to size it up and do, you know what you got to do. Email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com. Let's make this happen, folks. I don't know any other YouTuber that does this. Just us. Let's make this happen.